well warm in here.
Didn't even know your punches like to roll. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so.
Ow! Welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We're doing a
Older sister
yeah
versus younger sister.
makeup challenge.
So let's get straight into it, shall we?
Where do I do it? There. She's closing her eyes.
Oh my god.
Oh, so funny.
Straight in my eye.
Your nose went.
It went straight in my eye.
This is primer.
Yeah.
Is that right?
So gone.
No.
Oh, you
Squirt.
have to squirt out.
Mhm.
This one, do this side. Oh, I'm gonna
Taste
win.
it.
No, you can use your hands if you want. That's what I'm not
Really? You guys in your eyes?
There you go, that's enough. There you go. All done. That was stressful.
Put on.
Yeah,
Oh,
get
right.
cover my big mountains. That have appeared
I've got
on my
one
face.
here, so it's fine.
That you picked in the car on the way here.
I did you?
Put it on your face.
Yeah, wherever you want.
To really think I was gonna do it. That was way too much. Look how much I put on.
You need to like keep going.
Freya, look how much I did. On your what? On your white
Yeah.
jumper.
Oh, I did it drip.
You need to.
I dropped it.
That's it, that's it.
Your cheek looks away. No, it got way too much on. Well, it's your fault. Look.
Actually, that's the perfect amount. Just need to blend it.
Oh no. Do I blend it?
Not yet, at the end.
Okay, let me just. I think I put way too much on each.
Then just.
Be careful of Prue's blending skills. Just warning you. Yeah, you're right. Want to be very careful. I'm gonna make you look like an Instagram person.
Okay.
Go. We all caught it. I don't know how that's possible. It's concealer time.
What I'm doing there. There you go.
Close your eyes.
Right, so the foundation's done. Right, so now.
Up to the eye because then when you do your eyeshadow, it makes it pop out a bit more. Just guessing because it's the same colour.
Yeah, haven't watched that one. What?
Wait, really?
What?
Chill, boss, alright.
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
Are you not joking?
I'm not joking.
An hour and a half. It's going to be like something.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Shut up, boss.
You're my dad. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
I think we're definitely
Don't look at me like that.
You're my dad. Boogie, boogie, boogie. It looks like a squad.
I think I'm too old to know what that means.
It's off TikTok. Why do you have a highlight brush but no highlight?
Because you had yours.
True.
So.
I put that in my eye.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright, mate.
It's alright. Dry your
Alright,
eyes.
just keep going.
Hairline. That's what I learned from James Charles. Faye watched too much James Charles, so I don't know any makeup. Well, you should watch it. Why should I watch boring old James Charles? For your nose, apparently. There.
I never contour my nose.
There we go. Thanks for telling me. Look at her face. Oh, it doesn't look that bad.
No, it don't, does it? It looks actually alright.
Yeah, it looks like... I'm gonna try something that I've not done before, so it could go good or bad.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the smoky eye.
Okay.
So now the darker colour needs to be on the outside, and it gets lighter in the middle.
Let's go.
She moved so it went wrong. I'm glad it went wrong. We want you to go wrong. No, we don't. Not that we need you to go wrong, because we're already going to win, but...
Try and stay in the lines. It's like a colouring book.
I don't
But
stay
for
in
my
the
I
eyebrows.
don't stay in the lines. I love that.
I don't stay in the lines, though.
Okay. Just try for me, because I'm your favourite cousin.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, because Ella's not...
I'm older, so actually I should be the favourite.
I'm more to her age, so actually I should be the favourite.
You're both my favourite. He's coming. Oh no, it's short. Oh no, I can't
Just see running around my neighborhood.
Spreading all my fleas. Everybody's like, what you got? A man like STDs.
What did you just say?
Take
Take
the L.
the L from Fortnite.
Oh.
See, I know my things.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, try.
I think it looks
I
alright.
need something to like push this in.
I think she needs a bit more Prue.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what you're gonna get? Something I can't give you right now.
Oh, it's actually quite good for one of us. Try. Oh, so right. It's because it's not my loud.
Oh. Oh. I keep losing the fish. Oh my god.
I do that. You try and hold it and it just goes away forever. Whitney, look what you're up against.
That's actually really good.
It's actually really good.
It reminds me of that early season we watched. Their makeup.
Euphoria.
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright. Euphoria makeup is good.
Good. Probably you doing eyeliner, you've got to.
Yeah, I've got my
I'm scared, I've not done it in ages.
And don't be afraid to pull it.
Do I have to use it? Yeah. Okay.
Right, what colour are you using?
I'm going to...
I think someone's at the door.
Over there. Go on then, Whit.
Alright, we have a Luke.
I'm just gonna keep... Ah! I know. Use this type of makeup. I ruined it with the eyeliner. And it looked really good, but for whatever you do, don't press on hard. The eyeliner, okay? Okay. You just do one there, like a wing. But it ruined it. I'm sad. Put the mascara, mine. Help! This is matte mascara, so it. Oh. This is lipstick. Do you want to see my mascara? This is my mascara. I don't know whether. Oh, it's here. Look at this mascara. My mascara is better. Oh, look. Let me see yours. Ah! I'm the same, right? Yeah. This one is small. Freya, yeah. I mean, they can both use this mirror. But when they say, where do you think they're going? Oh, they're coming back. Shh. Did I go away crazy? Ready? Tell a girl I'm on my dear. I don't wanna make a girl go crazy when you feel like you're number one, baby. And then it's. I don't know that. Pitter patter, apple jumper on a platter. Use your finger just to and for dessert. I'll look you. I don't know that one. I'll eat you. You need to tell me I'm pretty. That's when the hunger really hits me. Your little hug of pitter patter. So I think you're gonna win. You're better with makeup. What's this? Well, I messed up. You got it on my precious makeup. So I'm guessing that first you do this. Perfect. Now I don't do my brows.
Don't use that one, you use that one, but like.
Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. Look, brows can make
She's a sparkle monster.
Oh.
Your eyebrows actually look really nice.
Can I spray it? Yeah.
Well, I'm amazing. Oops. Once, Mummy did a mascara, like when I wasn't born, but she did a mascara and she got it in her eye and her eye went black.
Oh, look how perfect it looks.
Yep.
She barely did anything to it.
Don't forget the flick. Are you doing a flick or?
That was the flick.
Oh!
Yeah.
It looks like mountains.
Probably
Oh, you just moved.
Actually, you
Yeah, Whitney, you did just
If you
move.
make it into mountains, it looks really cool. Because what Lucinda does, she does like different things, like she does love hearts on some of them. You can make it into mountains. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Close your eyes, Whitney.
And stop moving.
Show him.
You know what?
Yeah, but she can't see through from there, so it's fine. I've done quite good. Actually, mine's quite good.
You have. You both done really, really well.
Alpha went, oh god, well you're beautiful no matter what, but
Oh!
what did she do?
Send a picture.
Oh,
You are
What happened?
She made you look so mean and just shouted at my phone. I'm crying.
I really use makeup.
Go on. What do we do with my lips?
Make a move. What?
She's doing
You need to put that
faces
inside
on.
you, she's gonna zoom in.
I didn't put that on your lips.
Just do it normal, like a normal human being. What? No, you don't do.
She told me to do that.
You look like a flipping puffer fish.
She told me to do that, so I did. It won't go
She's
anymore.
not gonna paint your teeth, is she?
I can't unhinge my jaw.
No!
You got
Go on. Cheating.
Oh yeah, because you haven't done that to us. So first of all,
To see
you're
your
gonna see it, then I'm gonna get the camera. so then
unusual
you can see
face.
it.
It's very unusual. Yours is better.
Oh, you done really well.
Isn't it really good?
Yeah.
Oh, you drink.
Oh.
I messed up on the eyeliner then.
That's alright.
I've never done it before.
My eyebrows really good though.
They are.
Close your eyes. We'll close one eye.
It was really, really good.
Right, my turn. You're gonna have
Okay.
to check yourself out.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the camera.
Oh wow.
There's no parts.
Oh, they actually do look like love hearts. Alarm does. Don't know. She missed this bit. On my nose. But the foundation's not that bad.
This is Lucinda's by me.
You want me to do yours?
Close your eyes. Whitney's
The best way.
with close your eyes.
That is illustrated by
Love hearts. That one is love hearts.
That is illustrated by Prue.
Is my Prolicious. And that is it, really. So leave a comment to tell us who's won.
I think
there's-
it's obviously
Hashtag team older and hashtag team younger.
See which one's won.
hashtag Team Younger.
Hashtag
Older.
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 Older.